Another hot one here in the UK already at just coming up to 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's go and have a little wander at the charts. First one this morning then, odd CAD. So currently doing a bit of sideways action. Look, you see it's snaking. So it has had a breach across and then a pullback. So that's me done. So on this one, I want a breach of the upper Bollinger Band if I'm going to go into this again. I really want this to move. It's going a bit funky sideways, isn't it? So I want it to do a bit more than what it's doing at the moment. CAD JPY. Want this to come into alignment. So just wait and see where this one's going to go. I want a bare alignment on my FTI on this one, to be honest. I think this is going to come down again. Who knows though, hey? Euro USD. CAD JPY. It's just showing me it's coming. Oh, here we go. So yeah, just after 8 o'clock drop off. So I've had a breach, we haven't had a cross yet. So I'm just going to put an alarm on that one now for my bear cross. Looks like that's just had a nice 8 o'clock sweep of something. Look. Euro USD says it's still coming down, but breach, cross, too far above there. Really nice hit on the 21. That would have been a nice look. So now on this one, for my personal strategy, I want, as you can probably guess by now, an upper Bollinger Band hit on that. Should just lay off of that one until that happens. USD Chef. Not sure what it's doing. So again, I want some alignment on this one. Just have a nose at this actually. What's this doing? It's quite a bullish pair, isn't it? It is quite a bullish pair. So I'm going to go for full bull alignment on this one. There we go. Write that on. USD CAD. That's just caught in a space at the minute. It's all aligned. USD Chef is just coming back into alignment. I'm just going to whack a trend line on this. I just want to know. So I'm just going to go closer. The reason I'm doing this is I'm going close to that candle. I just want to whack an alarm on that trend line just so it tells me when price starts breaking. So this is just coming in. Same sort of thing on this really. Just gonna whack a trend line through there. Put an alert on that. That's still out, it's showing out that will go out and in. There's both of those. What are you doing? Good shift. This is the one that's been ranging for ages, from here to here, from here to here. Can trade it, just working its mind out where it's going. It's doing the same on the. All right, okay. Um, hmm. I'm not actually going to put any alerts on that one. I'm just going to flag that. Look, come back to that later. Have a look at it later. So, Chef JPY. Been pretty bearish on 5 minute. Pretty bearish on the 1 hour. I seem to have had a little pullback, hasn't it? So, uh, I'm going to stick this one in a box. Whack it in a box. We go from that high to lows. Just to give me a heads up, just stick an alarm on that for when price is exiting that rectangle. USD JPY. Ooh, lovely big spiky thing. So, what's this had? Initial breach, cross. There's bloody wicks on this thing, look. So that one for me, current price action means breach of the lower Bollinger Band. Because we're going up, I want to hit the lower Bollinger Band first. So we'll see what that decides to do. Although is that a... So it's a breach. We've not had a crossover, so I ain't going to bother with that. So put gold. Nice little trade off of this yesterday. Just a diddy. Just a diddy. What are you doing? You've anchored up. So I only like to trade crossovers on this, so I want a Bollinger Band breach on this. Upper band hit on that. So if it comes up here and goes down, it's in a, you can see, look, can you all see? It's got a level down here. It's in a particular place at the moment, so it will be moving at some point. I'll just go for a few of your pairs now, guys. So odd chef, same thing, 1 minute's out on this. So you've got two options, either MTF aligned or set an alarm on the 1 minute for when price crosses that Bollinger Band. AN. So it's quite rangy as well. So what have we had? Breach, cross. Ooh, just missed an entry on that. That would have been entry reason number 1. That's your pullback entry reason number 2. So entry reason number 1 would have been in there. It's that 248, which is the bottom of the candle pretty much. Just about there. So that would have been your entry reason number 1 on that. Targets here, here, here. So AJ, same thing, 1 minute's out, 1 minute's in, 1 minute's out, 1 minute's in. So for this one, for me, we've had the breach, crosses happened just above. I'd want another Bollinger Band pullback if I was trading AJ. So pullback drop. Look at AU. Be nice to see some clean price action. Same thing, it's had its breach, cross. That'd have been a nice cross actually. It's just had its 21 pullback now. If any of you trade that, that would have been your entry reason. 21 pullback. So decent candle. You've got a lot of stuff to come down and target. It's already gone past this. Look, hasn't candle closed, but so that will be a trade entry reason. 1 sec. Look at the old Euro GBP. Oh, hello, Euro GBP. It's that one, didn't we? Where's that off to? A little hoof off down here, look. So on this one, breach, cross, lovely entry. I was going to trade that. I would want a pullback to the blue EMA. So we've looked at the JPYs. Let's check this one out. Look like these are all starting to head down now. It's got a lot of stuff to come down for. Breach is way above the 248 though. Cross is way above the 248. So for me, I'm going to want a deep, if I was trading this one, a deep reset on that, which means an upper Bollinger Band hit. Let's have a look at these. Let's have a bit GCAD. Oh, actually, Chef JPY, before we go to that. I know one of my pairs just gave me an alarm. What was that for? Oh, breaking out the box. So, do we reckon we're coming down or up on that yet? Does it know? All right, let's go for some bear alignment on that one now then. CAD's just far enough. Just got to check my pairs, guys. Right, so we've got a breakout candle now. Still not really liking this, to be honest. Nah, nah, not buying that. I want on that one now, what I'm gonna do. I don't like the look of this. It has got places to move, but I'm gonna put an alarm on a low Bollinger Band breach on that one. Chef JPY's giving it some welly again. There we go, it's off. Now, see what I mean about candle jumping, guys, right? So because all this price action's above the 248, it is all showing bearish. I'm still not going to be jumping this until we have a decent pullback. So if this keeps coming down, I now want I think I've just set an alarm on this actually. I've done double up on the alarms. So it's all aligned. No, I haven't. Right, so now I want a 21 hit on this if I'm going to trade that. Simple as. Want to take this, it's just too far up. Right, let's go. Got quite a lot of alarms on, haven't I? Right, it's back down to what we were looking at, GCAD, weren't we? So, where has the initial breach? This has just had a breach, actually. So, look, it's just come through here. We've had a cross. It's not a good cross, look. Even though, can you see, even that's a massive candle, that red EMA didn't start going up with it. So I'd just be a little bit cautious if you're trading this one. Do you want it more looking like that? Can you see the difference with that? That candle's gone up, look, and that EMA's gone with it. That hasn't. It's bent straight over. So with this one at the minute, for me now, because it's through the 21, I wouldn't be taking a 21 trade off of that. I'd want another Bollinger Band pullback, to be honest. Look at GN, we'll look at some of the obscure trades. Oh, nice. Breach. Where's the cross? Cross. That candle, a lot of that big spread on that for your pullback. So GN's quite nice actually. It's had a couple of nice moves when it looks apart from look at the state of that. Yeah. So for me, if I was going to trade this, I'd want to breach of the Bollinger Band again. Look at NU. NU's just started going. So breach, nice tidy cross at 7 o'clock. Look, I've just missed this trade. It's had its pullback catch. We are targeting here though, so, and as you can see, it's rejecting off of that. What would that have been? Let's have a look at what you'd have had to put on that. That's your candle close. Realistically, the wick is 2.9. Yeah, your 1 to 2 is going to be tight. Tight 1 to 2, that one. So I'm going to push it. I'm not in that trade though, obviously. So for me now, it needs a full reset. NU, if I'm going to trade that. So same thing on this one. You grab an alarm. I don't want an upper Bollinger Band hit. So that's my alarm set again, guys, this morning. You can see not too much like what I'd call over-analysing, just have a little look, just curious as to where things are going, what things are doing. Just set your alarms, go back when your alarms go off, look if you want to enter the trade or not, and happy trading.